Now, I'm going to assume that you don't know about the Unstoppable Army membership. Now, what that actually is a way for you to show your loyalty and support the channel. You're already a regular viewer. You watch the live shows every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But why not actually subscribe to a monthly package where you can get behind the scenes live streams, private members only conversations, and exclusive shoutouts during the regular live shows. Also, you will get perks like you will get specially made badges just created for you specially as a member, and special created emojis as well as other features that will be given to you as a member of the Unstoppable Army. Now, thinking about it, yeah, take a second and then just select the option to become an Unstoppable Army member officially. Alright? Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. This is Unstoppable, and I'm out. See you over there in the private members only group.